Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bank Robber back with another weekly breakdown on gold. And today we are about to break this down for you. So I already did my monthly and daily slash weekly support and resistance line. So it's actually fairly simple. The monthly support is down here, monthly resistance up here, and then another monthly resistance up here at 1973.91. Now if you go down to the weekly, I didn't mark up the weekly because I didn't want to have it too cluttered. So in the back of my mind, I know, okay, my monthly resistance is here, and if I want to, I can hit a slash weekly res as well, right? Weekly resistance, right? So let's go down to the daily. Now the daily is very interesting. I don't know who was on the stream on Friday, but I said I will not look for shorts until we get a candle close like this. Now we did break below structure, but we didn't break the previous daily low, right? We rejected off the monthly resistance to the T almost, and now look at this weekly wick. Now, what I'm thinking is there's two things, right? Since we now broke below the previous higher low, I want a next daily candle, so tomorrow's daily candle, to wake up, show a lot of signs of rejection, to then continue down into these areas right here first, right? And then eventually come down to the next daily floor, because that's the range that we're in currently, right? We broke below here, so now we're in from here, from 1897-ish to 1853. That's the range that we're gonna dance in, and then we have some struggles right up in here between 1878 and 1870, right? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and let's mark off our 4-hour zones real quick. Okay, so what I like right here, that's that daily resist, or that daily support. We're gonna mark that off red because that's also my 4-hour support. Okay, that is not a bullish candle, right? We broke this whole consolidation range, right? But you see how this 4-hour candle, the previous 4-hour candle, closed doji? Right, you see how it closed doji? So you really want to get a strong break below and a strong retest to see these lower levels, right? It could still potentially fake out, and then we have a resistance up here, also a support right here, but I am not going to mark that off because it will make it too it will make my charts too messy. Also, obviously, a monthly resistance right up in here, just like that, or 4-hour zone at monthly resistance, obviously. So if we end up pushing up, let's say into this area right here of this support, and we see rejection right here, then we could see some potential downside movement. But ideally I would want to see price right reject here and then come down. And the reason why I said come down is because if we go to the news, and I've already did a little bit of research, right? We go to March, whoops, okay, that's tomorrow, okay, right? So Monday there's no news, right? Then we go to Tuesday, March 1st, let's see. Then we have PMI, and they're calling positive numbers, which means in negative USD, which means in negative gold, right? Or sorry, negative numbers, negative gold, right? A weak USD, strong gold, strong USD, weak gold, right? And then ADP non-farm employment change on March 2nd. They're calling super positive numbers. So positive numbers means a negative gold. So if you can get a nice high entry for a sell, and you can hold them, and the ADP numbers do end up popping out to be positive, and you can hold that short for a long time. But on the other hand, we have Ukraine also that is in the mix. So all in all, you have to be very careful this week. Do not risk a full percentage. I risk up 1% per trade normally, but I might cut it down to 0.30, 0.50% per trade. Right? USD average hourly earnings, and then non-farm employment change. Right? They're calling negative numbers, which means a positive USD. This week is going to be chaotic. Pay attention to the zones. It's going to be a very choppy and volatile week, right? Monday, I think tomorrow is going to be slow, and then throughout the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, very volatile, so be fucking careful. Do not blow your account because you're impatient. If it's on me, I might only trade tomorrow and Tuesday, and that's it, because the markets are too volatile at this point, and you can lose money like crazy if you're not careful. So, with that being said, it's your boy Bank Robber. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll be live streaming tomorrow again, 10:30 a.m. Brussels time on the 28th of February. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the stream. Peace out.